Today I'll be talking to you, or walking you through how to make a sandwich. I'll be going over how it benefits you, how it connects you with your family, and how it benefits society. First step, you want to take your bread out of the bag and place it on your plate. Now, I brought Rotella's white bread, but there's healthier breads such as wheat bread and much others, but I prefer the white bread because it's just easy carbs. Next step, you want to get mayo. There's also Miracle Whip, is that what it's called? And I don't like that because it's too sweet, so I just get mayo. I have the squeeze bottle, so you just squeeze it on. I do 2, both sides. You want to take your knife, butter knife, spread it on the sandwich. You can add a little or a lot. I have to add a lot, usually. Now once you're done with the mayo, your next step will be adding the meat. You can add all kinds of meat like turkey, ham, bacon, Canadian bacon. I just have honey smoked turkey breast right here. You can add, I have to add 4 or 5 slices of turkey with mine. Next step is tomatoes. Not everybody likes tomatoes on there, I don't, but to make it more interesting, I got tomatoes. You want to slice your tomatoes up into thin strips or thick strips, is that what you prefer. Place your tomatoes on the sandwich. I'm going to do 2 per slice of bread. Once you're done with the tomatoes, you want to go on to salad. This is my 5th and final step because I don't like anything else on it. Some people add peppers, jalapenos, all kinds of things. Now your sandwich is done. You want to place the bread back on top. Now this benefits you because, especially seniors, if you're going off to college and you need a quick snack, you can make a sandwich. Or if you're just at home and you're hungry, I just taught you how to make a sandwich so you can make a sandwich when you get home. Connects with your family because if your family's too lazy to make dinner, you need to whip up something real quick, or you're on the road, you can make a sandwich for them. How it benefits society? If people didn't know how to make a sandwich, they would know how to feed themselves, and that's like the basic step in making food. And and thank you.